In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a maintenance page for your Wix website. This tutorial will guide you through a seamless transition to ensure your visitors are well informed while you work on your website behind the scenes. Having a maintenance page not only helps explain any temporary downtime, but also keeps your audience engaged with updates or promotions even when your main site isn't available. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to access the Wix editor. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Sites section where you'll see a list of your websites. Find the one you want to put under maintenance and click on Edit Site. This will open up the Wix editor where all the magic happens. Now that you have your site open, the next step is to add a new page. Look towards the top menu of the editor for an icon that resembles a sheet of paper. This is the Menus and Pages icon. Click on it and you'll see an option to add page. For our purposes, you'll select the landing page option. This will create a standalone page that we can customize specifically for maintenance. Let's move on to customizing this new page. In the menu list, find your newly created page and click on the More Actions menu, which is represented by 3 dots. From the drop-down, select Settings. Here, under the Layouts tab, you'll want to choose No Header and Footer. This option will strip the page of any site navigation, keeping it focused and simple for your visitors. With the layout set, it's time to inform your visitors that your site is undergoing maintenance. Add some text to your page, clearly stating that the site is temporarily unavailable due to maintenance. You might also consider including a sign-up form for updates so your visitors can be notified when your website is back up and running. This not only maintains communication, but also helps in building a list for further engagement. After you've customized the page content, an important thing to do is to set this page as your temporary homepage. You'll go back to the More Actions menu under Settings and navigate to Page Info. Here, click on Set as Homepage to ensure that visitors land directly on this maintenance notification. Once everything looks good, the last step is to publish your changes. Simply hit the Publish button and your maintenance page will go live for all to see. Finally, when your work is complete and you're ready to go live again, removing the maintenance mode is simple. Return to the Menus and Pages menu, delete the maintenance page, and set your original homepage back in place. That's it. Your site is back up, and your visitors can once again enjoy everything you have to offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in creating a smooth transition for your site maintenance.